I think that restorative dentists who do a fair number of crowns and onlays should consider trying the guide pin diamonds that I've been using for a number of years. I posted a number of videos on how they're used. You're welcome to go and check them out. The reason that I think they're very, very helpful is because they take one element of unpredictability out of the procedure, which is how deep are you cutting your prep. The guide pin at the end of the guide pin diamond prevents you from going more than half of the depth of the burr. And once you got it in at that depth, you simply have to make your shape axially around the side of the tooth, and you will do it the same way every time. You'll get a nice, even, Instagram-worthy crown margin, as I like to say, beautiful and very predictable. They do take a little getting used to. There's a learning curve on them, and I actually tried them a number of years ago, and I set them aside. I gave them a try, but they were a little difficult to get used to. And then the problem kept coming up, which is that margin, is not always exactly the same every time. And so I picked them up again, and I tried again. And ever since then, it's been a staple in my regular armamentarium, in my regular crown kit. I don't use them on every prep, but I use them on most of them. The reason is very simple. You just have to get the angle of the burr right. You don't have to worry about how deep you're cutting with it. And that is a huge amount of mental energy and physical difficulty that's off the plate for me once I'm using the guide pin. So I'd recommend giving them a try. And if you call up Microcopy, they'll send you a couple for free to try. So I would recommend at least giving it a try, because they're novel, but they're really very helpful.